Hey guys, today we are in Volvo V60 with automatic transmission, and I'm going to show you how to put the transmission into neutral from park without the ignition on. So if your car is completely dead, you are after an accident, you need to tow the car or put it on a flatbed, this is the way to do it. First you need to reach behind this waterfall console. There's a small compartment over there, and you need to remove this piece of rubber trim. When you do this, maybe I will use a flashlight, you will find that there's two small holes, and in the one closer to the gearbox there's something yellow. You need to press this yellow tab that's over there with something like a flat screwdriver or even your car key, and with this pressed you will be able to move the transmission into neutral. So let's try to do this. I have car keys over here, so the ignition is off. I cannot shift the gearbox from parked into other gears, and if you look closely at your key, there's a small lock over here that you can move, and when this is moved you can remove this piece, which is actually the traditional key. So let's try to put this into neutral right now. So it's much easier to do it with a screwdriver or even a pen or pencil, but it's possible to put the transmission into neutral without the ignition on. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.